Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to see how to connect multiple databases in Power BI to automate some process. When building dashboard, we often need to manually update by manually dependent queries. Today, we'll show you a much faster way to do it. Let's go. Here, we have a dashboard with the 200 most streamed songs on Spotify in 2024. This information comes from the dashboard from Spotify official weekly charts. We download the 52 files in Excel, one for each week, and paste them into a single folder. This is going to be in a local way. And now, in Power BI Desktop, we need to go to Transform Data, New Query, and select from a folder. We select the folder that we have all the files and click Combine and Transform Queries to see all documents together. If the folder contains files we don't need, we can filter them with no problem. In our case, all relevant files include regional, global, weekly in the file name. So we filter by the name column to keep those files, and that's it. Now, if I click the double arrow icon at the top of the column to combine all the files, you can bring all the information that is in all the Excel file, or just select the column that you are interested in. And now, if you want the cleaning and the transformation of the data, you can change dates, integers, text. You can remove unnecessary columns and rename all the files column. Whatever you want is okay. This method works for Google Drive, SharePoint, OneDrive, network folders, whatever you want. It's really useful because sometimes we have a report like P&L report that has monthly update or also change of year and give you problems in the Power BI report. With this, you can filter all the folder, you can do whatever you want, and you're not going to have any problem because you combine all the files in one and you have only one fact table. So if you like this video, don't forget, like, subscribe. See you on next video. Bye-bye.